Good morning, children. In the last class we discussed about some problems to find the image distance and the nature of image. Today also we are going to find the type of images and the nature of the image by using the mirror formula and as well as magnification. In the last class few of them did mistakes for the concave mirror when the object is placed between the pole and focus. We will get the image distance is positive. Most of them did mistake and they got the negative for the image distance and also they got the magnification also negative. Actually the image distance is positive and the magnification also positive. So based on that I am going to take a class now. An object is kept at a distance of at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror. If its focal length is focal length is 30 centimeter, then find image distance, then find image distance and magnification. Note it as a classwork, children. See here, an object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. It is a concave mirror. If its focal length is 30 centimeter, then find the image distance and magnification. Okay, first write the given information according to the sign convention. According to sign convention, it is a concave mirror. According to sign convention of concave mirror, here the given as object distance is 20 centimeter. So U is equal to 20 centimeter and also the focal length is 30 centimeter. So as per sign convention we will get it as minus. Remind it, children, it is very important to apply the sign convention, and focal length is minus 30. Focal length is also minus 30 centimeter. So we have to find image distance and as well as magnification. So we have to find image distance and magnification. See here in this problem the object is placed before focal. The focal length is 30 centimeter and the object is placed before focus. That indicates that, so if we consider a rough diagram, so it is a concave mirror. So here it is a pole and it is a focus. Somewhere it is center of curvature. Okay, children. So the distance of focal length is 30 centimeter. So from here to here it is 30 centimeter. Okay. Now the object is placed at 20 centimeter only. Here only the object is at a 20 centimeter, children. So as you know, for this situation means if we place the object between P and F for a concave mirror, we will get a virtual image. We will get the virtual image at this place. So that's why the image distance is positive, and also we will get the magnification is also positive. Let me see how we will get the positive image distance and magnification is positive. So for that we have to use the mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, here f is the focal length, v is the image distance, u is the object distance. Substitute the above information, that is 1 by minus 30 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by minus 20. Reminded children, here this is very important. All are committing mistakes at this place. So here 1 by minus 30 is equal to 1 by v plus into minus minus 1 by 20. Now transpose this term towards left hand side. See here, 1 by minus 30. So now we are transposing this term to left side, then it become positive. 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. See here it is minus 1 by 20. We are transposing it to the left hand side, then it become positive. Now do the LCM of 30 and 20. So 2 15s are, 2 10s are, 5 3s are, 5 2s are. So 2 5s are 10, 30, 60. We got the LCM as 60. So 32s are minus 2 plus 23s are 60 by 1 by v. Here we'll get 1 minus 2 plus 3 will get plus 1 by 60 is equal to 1 by v. So v is equal to 60 centimeter. V is equal to 60 centimeter. Here we got plus sign, children. Remind it. Here the plus indicates the image distance is positive. Here we got the plus 60. So the same mistake you committed in the before problem. So you don't commit such type of mistakes. So v is equal to plus 60 centimeter. So as per the given question, so we find the object image distance. Now we are going to find the magnification. So the magnification m is equal to minus v by u. According to the given information, the suitable formula for the magnification is m is equal to minus v by u. So as per the above problem, we got v value, that is m is equal to plus into minus minus 60 by u is what? U is minus 20 centimeter. So minus minus will get cancelled, then 21s are 23s are. As per this, magnification is equal to 3. Okay, now magnification m is equal to 3. So this indicates that which type of image is it? Image is virtual, erect, and it is enlarged, children. Which type of image is it? It is a enlarged, because here we got the magnification as 3. You know that when we place the object in between the pole and focus for a concave mirror, we will get an enlarged and a virtual image. So for that, here we got the magnification as 3. So this 3 indicates the size of the image is higher than the size of the object. So here the image is virtual, erect, and enlarged, children. So based on this information, we are able to draw the ray diagram also. Now I am going to draw the ray diagram for this situation. Okay, see here. Now for this situation, just I am considering the same. The first ray is parallel to principal axis. It is passing through the focus. Just to know whether the getting answer is right or not, let me verify it with the ray diagram, or else we need to take any one as subject and we need to verify whether the did the problem is correct or not. Now I am going to verify the problem by my drawing ray diagram. So now one of the rays parallel to principal axis, it is passing through focus, and another ray is passing through center of curvature. It retraces into the same path. So if you extend these two to the back, they can intersect at a point and we will get a virtual image. And if you see here the object image is enlarged. Okay, the object is only smaller in size, but the image is enlarged, children. So that's why we got the magnification is 3. Thank you.